Explanation of carton flap overlap in vertical carton erecting. After the carton is closed, there is some overlap. You can see the flaps are stacked on both sides. Normally, the carton should be closed in a flat and natural condition. However, in this case, one flap presses onto the other, creating a stacked folding effect. This stacked folding causes carton misalignment during erecting and sealing. The misalignment is inconsistent and may shift to either side. To improve this, the minor flaps on the front and rear sides should be trimmed. This allows some clearance during folding and prevents flap interference. During actual erecting, there will be no visible gap because the carton is clamped by the belts. The current issue is caused by flap overlap during folding, which leads to left to right misalignment. This issue is mainly related to carton design rather than the machine itself.